So here we have the Mamey. This is a very unique fruit. Found it in Portland, and that was the first time having it. So I'm going to peel it and try it and let you know how it tastes. So what I see the guy do, just cut off the top part like that. See? See, kind of look like a mango. And cut off the bottom. And then do something like this. And then this. And then this again. And then this. Oh, maybe I'm going too deep. Ah, that's what she said. Alright, and then there's this part here. Tear it off like so. Ah, look at that, look at that. So it's kind of like mango skin, is it? Look at that. Tear it off. Oh, isn't that nice? That's so cool. Look at that. Skin is real thick. See? That's as wet as a mango. Yeah. Cut off a little piece of that. See that? Let me taste it. Alright, so it has a very unique taste. It has a little bit of like a passion fruit, mango sort of vibe. And also kind of peachy. Yeah, so that's about it. This is the Mamey. It also should have, I think, 1 or 2 large peach-like seeds on the inside. It's hard. We'll plant it and see if it grows. That's it. Alright, that's about it.